Hello everyone. Very good evening to all of you. So today we are going to learn a wonderful life skill. And what's that? Maths. You know. So let's see what are we going to learn today. So today you all are in class 3 now. So today we are going to learn a wonderful thing, that is number system, because without number system, maths is not complete. So let's learn today number system. Okay. So at first, let's see what is the difference between digit and numbers. Okay. You know, what is digit? A digit is a single symbol used to make numerals. Okay. For example, you see from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 are called digits because we can make any numerals with the help of these 10 digits. Okay. And now let's see what is number. Number is a count. Okay. That is really an idea in our minds. For example, if you have 6, 12 to 34, 6. So 6, this symbol represents 6. Okay. Whenever we think about 6, this symbol represents 6. Whenever you learn from your childhood, you learn that this way you have to write 6. So this symbol represents 6. So this digit represents 6 and it is a single digit number. What we can say it, 6 is a single digit number. Now let's take 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. These two digit and it's make 12 and 12 is a 2-digit number. Okay, 1 and 2 makes 2-digit number. So this is the difference between digit and number. Now let's take 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is 2, 3, 4. Here we have 2, 3 and 4. So there are 3 digit we here took 2, 3 and 4 and this make a 3-digit number 234. Okay. So this is the difference between digit and numbers. So we can make any digit, any numbers with the help of this 10 digits. 1-digit number, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit. Okay. By only these 10 digits. Okay. So now let's see what are face value and place value. That you have already idea about face value and place value. No? In class 2, we have learned about this. So let's revise this concept once again. And then we will solve some International Maths Olympiad questions, some interesting questions. So let's see first, what is face value? To know about face value? Face value of a digit in a number depends on only one thing. And what's that? The digit itself. It at whatever place it may be. Okay. And you know, so the face value is the actual value of a number and it doesn't change. Okay. For example, if you have 246. Okay. It is a 3-digit number, 246. Someone is asking me, ma'am, what is your name? I am Swarnali, ma'am. Okay. So let's start again. So it's 246 is a 3-digit number. Okay. So now 6 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place, and 2 is at 100th place. Now let's see the face value of the digit in this number. So first 6 is at 1's place, but face value of 6 is 6. And face value of 4 is 4. And face value of 2 is 2. Face value is same, remaining same all the time. Okay. But what changes? Place value is changes. So let's see what is place value. Okay. The place value in a digit depends upon two things. Face value depends on only one thing, the digit itself. But the place value depends on two things. What are the things? The first is the digit. And the second thing is the place. Okay. Digits of the place of any number place value depends on the digit and the position of the digit. Okay, so that means place value of a digit can change according to their position. Now, so what is place value? How can we find out place value? You know that? Place value is equals to digit into its position. Okay, so let's see one example to make the concept more clear. So here we took 423, a 3-digit number, 423. So we have to find out the place value of the digits of this number. It is a 3-digit number. 3 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, and 4 is at 100th place. Okay? Okay, so now, so now let's see that means there are 3 places here. So let's write first the 3 places: 1's place, 10's place, and 100th place. Okay, these are the 3 places. Now what we have to do? We have to write the digit first, and then we will find the place value of the digit. Okay, got it? So let's write, we'll start from 1's place, and 1's place is always in the right hand side. Okay, first 1's place, then 10's place, then 100th place. That means in the leftmost side, obviously the highest place value digit. Okay, in this way we have to write. So you see 423. So at first let's write 3 at 1's place. So place value of 3 would be, yes, tell me, can you tell me what is the place value of 3? Because 3 is at 1's place. Can you tell me? 423 and 3 is at 1's place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 is at 1's place. Can you tell me, anyone? Then I will tell you. Place value of 3, how can you find out? Because I have already told you place value is equals to digit into its position. So that means place value of 3 would be 3 into 1. That means 3. Yes, I got many answers already. Yes, it's 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. Now let's see the next place, that is 10's place, and here is 2. So what is the place value of 2? 2 is at 10's place. That means place value of 2 would be, 2 into what? Place value of 2 would be, 2 is at 10's place. That means 2 into 10, and it's 20. Okay, 20 and 3. Yes, place value of 2 is 2 into 10 is 20, because 2 is at 10's place. Now the last place, it's a 3-digit number, and 4 is at 100th place. So what you have to do? We have to do 4 into 100. For 100th place, the place value of 4 would be 4 into 100. Yes, and it's 400. Okay. Now for the 423, we got the place values 420 and 3. Okay. Now let's add 420 and 3. Okay. 400 plus 20 plus 3. And do you know it is called what? 400 plus 20 plus 3. It is called the expanded form of a number. Okay. Expanded form. Whenever we write, we break the number, the digit, okay, according to their place value. It is called the expanded form of a number. 400 plus 20 plus 3. And you know, in this way, you will get the same number, 423. Okay, so it is the expanded form of the number, 400 plus 20 plus 3. So any 3-digit number, we have to break in this way. First 100th place, then 10th place, then 1's place. So now, you see, if you have like number 746, can you tell me what is the place value of 7? 7 in 746, what is the place value of 7? Can you tell me? And then you have to write the expanded form of this number, 746. Okay. So first try to solve this 746. You have to tell me the place value of 7 and then you have to tell me the expanded form of 746. Then I will tell you. Okay. I got many answers. Very good, very good. Is 700, 700? Yes, place value of 7 is 700. 7 into 100 is 700. Very good. You people are very smart. Very good, very good. So now let's see the expanded form, and you have already written the expanded forms. Expanded form would be 700. Then we have to find out the tens place value and the ones place value. Then we have to add. That's all. So 7 is at 100 place, so it would be 700. Then 4 is at tens place, so it would be 40. And 7 is at 6 is at ones place, so it would be 6 into 1 is 6. And it is the expanded form. 700 plus 40 plus 6. Yes, very good. 700 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, very good, very good. Many of you have given the right answer. Very good, very good. It's 700 plus 40 plus 6. Very good. (700 plus 40 plus 6). So, hope you understood the place value. So, place value always changes, okay, according to the place value of a number, of a digit always change according to their position or place. So, now let's see another thing we have to learn, okay. So, let's move on. Hope you understood. (700 plus 40 plus 6). Very good, very good. So now let's move on. Let's learn some more things, okay? So number system, as you learned about number system, so you see, you are in class 3, so you learned up to 3-digit or 4-digit number. So let's take a number. I will show you how to write a 5-digit number in place value chart. So that it would be very easy, and it is same, just like if you learn the logic, you can put any number, any digit number, 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit in place value system. Okay, because the logic is same behind all the thing. So let's take a 5-digit number and I will show you how can you write a 5-digit number in place value chart. Okay, so let's see. So here is our number 72965. Okay, so let's see how to put the digits in this place value chart. So, you know, we have to start from ones place. Okay, that is from the right hand side. So it's here is 5 is at ones place, is the right hand side. So let's write 5 at ones place first. Okay, now the next digit is 6 and 6 is at tens place. So we will have to write 6 in tens place. Okay, now the next digit is 9 and 9 is at which place? It's 100th place. So let's write 9 at 100th place. So our number is here a 3-digit number. You can see is 965. Okay, 965. And you know, these 3 places make ones period. Okay, these 3 places make ones period. 965 65. Got it? So now let's move on. Let's take the next digit, and next digit is 2. So let's write 2 where? The next place, and that is which place? 1000 place. So whenever we have a 4-digit number, we have to write up to 1000 place. Okay. So now our number is 2965. 2965. Got it? So now let's take the last digit of this number, and it is 7. So let's put 7 where? 7 we have to put in 10,000 place. So it is a 5-digit number. So that means whenever you have, if you have a 5-digit number, you have to write up to 10,000 place. Okay. So our number is 72,965. Okay. 72,965. Whenever you have a 5-digit number, you have to write the number in this way. And the place value chart, you have to put the digit in this way. Okay. So it's 72,965. So if you have to write the place value of the digits, can you write? So start with the 2. 2 is at 1000 place. So can you please write the place value of 2 in this number? 2 is at 1000 place. So what is the place value of 2 in this number? Can you write, please? Place value of 2 in this number. 2 is at 1000 place. That means place value of 2 would be what? Can you write, please? Very good. Many we have of 2000, 2000, 2000. Very good, very good. It's 2000. Yes, place value of 2 is 2000 because 2 is at 1000 place. Okay. So whenever you have a 5-digit number, you have to write up to 10,000 place. And if you have a 6-digit number, then you have to write up to lakh place, and then take 10 lakh place. Okay. In this way, we have to write the place value chart. We have to write the numbers. Okay. It is called the Indian place value system, and there is also an American place value system too. Whenever you will go in class 4, you will learn some more. So let's learn today this number system, Indian number system only. Okay. So now let's solve some more question from IMO, some Maths Olympiad question. Okay. So if you understood. So this is our first question. Can you solve this question first? Then I will tell you the answer. How many tens and ones will make 87? That we have to find out only. And there are 4 options. Which option would be the right one? That we have to find out. How many tens and ones will make 87? How many tens and ones will make 87? Here 87, our number is 87 and it is a 2-digit number. So can you tell how many tens and ones? Not okay. Some of you have given answer C and some of you have given answer B. So let's see which would be the right one. Okay. You see 87 is a 2-digit number. So there are 2 places only, tens place and ones place. So 7 will come at ones place and 8 will come at tens place. That means there are how many tens? 8 tens and 7 ones. So our answer would be B, 8 tens and 7 ones. Okay, answer is B, not C. 80, no. 80 is place value. 8 into 10 is place value. But how many tens? They are asking you how many tens. So many children get confused in this type of question. Okay, so just remember they are asking you how many tens. So just there are 8 tens and 7 ones. Okay, not 80. 80 is the place value because 8 is a tens place. So place value of 8 would be 8 into 10 and that is 80. But our question is here how many tens? So our answer would be 8 tens. Okay, understood? Is 8 tens, 7 ones. So answer is B. Okay, so let's move on. Let's see the next question. Next question is 80 tens is equals to 8 hundreds. Is it true? It is greater than, less than, equal to, or can't say? Can you tell me? 80 tens is dash 8 hundreds. We have to fill in this blank. Okay, greater than, less than, equal to, and the option D. Which would be the right one? Eighty tens is 800. 80 tens means 80 into 10. So it 800. So obviously it would be equals to. Okay. So our answer would be C. Option C is equals to. 80 tens means 80 into 10. Okay. So it's 800. So 80 tens is equals to 800. So our answer would be option C. Option C is the right one. Okay. So let's move on. Let's see the next one. This question number 3. Our question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? That we have to find out. So let's see the question. You see, first one, they are saying there are 3 ones in 643. And you see, there are 3 ones. Yes, because 3 is at ones place. That means there are 3 ones. So it's true. It's correct. Then let's move on. Next, see B, option B. Here you can see 801 is same as 80 tens. What do you say? 801 means 800 into 1. So it's 800 and 80 10 means 80 into 10 and it's also 800. So is 80 into 10 is 800. That means this also right. Okay. Now let's see the option C. Option C is the largest 3-digit number formed by using the digits 5, 9 and 6. 5, 9 and 6 only once and is 9, 5, 6. What do you think? Is it right or wrong? You see 5, 9, 6 and each digit we have to use only once and we have to make a largest 3-digit number by this. So what would be the number? Number would be obviously 965 because 6 is greater than 5. So 965 would be the right one. So this answer is this is the answer because this is incorrect. It's not right. So here our question is which of the following statement is incorrect? So that would be our answer. Now let's see the option D2. The place value of 6 in 6 to 8 is 600. Is it right? Yes, 6 is at 100 place. So place value of 6 is 6 into 100 is 600. So is also a right option. So this is the wrong one and this is our answer. Answer C. Okay. It is wrong. It's 965 is the right one and they are saying it's 956. Okay. So it is our answer. Answer C. Yes. Answer C. Answer C. Wow. So many answers I got. Very good. Is answer C. 965. Very good. Very good. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Here is the question number 4. So try to solve this. This is very interesting question. You see, 4 students, Guru, Gopal, Madhavi and Asha, wrote a 3-digit number on their slates and shown below. You can see Who wrote the least number? That you have to find out. Guru or Gopal or Madhavi or Asha. Who wrote the least number? That means the smallest number. Who wrote? Can you tell me? Try to solve this, then I will tell you the answer. Okay? So whenever you get this type of question, first write it, okay, in rough sheet, and you will easily find out your answer. 498, 654, 861, and 723. There are the four numbers they have written. So which would be the correct one? Who wrote the least number? That we have to find out. It's so easy. I got many answers. Someone say is A, and C. C is Madhvi. Okay. So let me explain this. You see, Guru wrote on the slate 498, and then Gopal 654, Madhvi 861, and Asha 723. So how to compare the numbers? You know how to compare the numbers? We have to compare the numbers from the highest place. We have to compare the digits from highest place. Okay. So here you see all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. All the numbers 3-digit numbers. So we have to compare the 100 place. Okay. So you see here in 100 place, here is 4, here is 6, here is 8, and here is 7. So 8 is greater, 8 is greater than 7, then 6, and then 4. 4 is the least one. So that means the number that will start with 4 would be the least number, the smallest number. So obviously 498 is the smaller one. So that means answer A. Guru wrote the least number, the smallest number. Okay, it's 498. Understood? It's Guru. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Yes, it's Guru. Madhvi. Many of you have written Madhvi 861, but not Madhvi, because our question is least number. Least means smallest. Okay, smallest one. And smallest is 498. So Guru is the answer. Okay, 498 is the answer. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. It's question number 5. So let's see the question. You see, our question is, Sheena planted some plants in garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 440 and has 5 at tens place. Which of the following cannot be the number of plants planted by her? And here we have 4 options and we have to find out which can't be our answer. Okay, cannot be. Always read the questions carefully, because sometimes children sometimes missed can or cannot be. Okay, and without they will do the sometimes they had given wrong answer because they cannot read the question carefully. So how here our question is, cannot be the number of plants planted by her. So first try to solve this, then I will tell you which would be the right one. Okay. Wow, already I got many answers. Okay, so let's see the answer. You see, here our question is, she planted some plant in the garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 440 and has 5 at tens place. So our first option you can see is 458 is more than 440 and 5 is at tens place. Okay. So it is, it, it can't be our answer. So now let's move on. Let's see the next one is 558 and it's also greater than 440. And here 5 is also at tens place. So it can be our answer. Okay. Now option C, here is 854 and 854 is also greater than 440 and 5 is at tens place. So that means option D would be the answer because the 3 options are not right. So obviously option D would be the answer. And you see it's 438 and 438 is lesser than 440. And here at tens place there is 3, not 5. So obviously option D would be the answer. Okay, 438. Okay, it is our answer, 438. Option D. Good, very good. Option D, 438 is the answer. Option D, very good, very good. Is 438. Very good. Very good, dear children. Very good. You all have done correct. It's option D. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Okay. So now there is an abacus question. There is an abacus question. So try to solve this first. Let me first read the question. Rohan arranges 6 beads in column of an abacus. He puts 3 beads in ones column, 1 bead in tens column, and 2 beads in hundreds column. Which of the following can be Rohan's abacus? That you have to find out. So try to solve this. Then I will tell you the answer. Okay. Did you solve this? Which would be the answer? So let me explain this. You see, Rohan arranges 6 beads in column of an abacus. Okay. And he puts 3 beads in ones column. That means in ones column, he put 3 beads and 1 bead in tens column in one bead in tens column, and in 100 columns, there are 2 beads. Okay. So that means it's 2, 0 and 1. So it would be 2, 1, 3. Okay. Because 3 beads in ones column, 1 bead in tens column, and 2 beads in 100 column. So that means it would be 2, 1, 3. And in which abacus can you see this? 2, 1, 3. You see in option B, you can see it's 2, 1, 3. Okay. In option B, only it's showing it's 2, 1, 3. So answer option B would be the right one. Okay. Answer would be B because it is showing 2, 1, 3. So whenever you get this type of question, the beads wala question, abacus, just write the position and write the beads, number of beads, and then you can easily find out the answer. Okay. Ones, tens, and 100 place, and then you can write the beads. So you can easily find out the answer 2, 1, 3. Here you can see in option B only showing 2, 1, 3. So 2, 1, 3 is the answer. That means option B is the right one. Okay. Fine. 2, 1, 3. So now let's move on. So understood? Do you have any doubts? 2, 1, 3. Very good. 2, 1, 3. Option B. 213. Someone is saying 312. No, not 312. It's 213. Very good. Very good. It's 213. So now let's solve one more question. It's question number 7. You see, you have to fill in these blanks. There are 3 blanks and you have to find out the answer, and then let's see which would be the correct one. Okay? So try to solve this first. So try to solve this first, then I will tell you the answer. So all the best. Question number 7. Try to solve this first. So here our question is, 1 less than the smallest 3-digit number is P, and then 25 tens is equals to Q, and then 184 is same as R. So first we have to find out this, and then we can check out which would be the right option, because there are 4 options here. Okay, so let's see the answer. Did you solve this? Yes, I think you already solved. So let's see the answer, then I will check your answer. Okay, so first thing is, you can see it's 1. 1 less than the smallest 3-digit number. 1 less than the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Okay, and 100 minus 1 is 99. Obviously, P. So P is 99. Now the next is 25 tens, and 25 tens means 25 into 10, and it's 250. Okay, so Q is 250. Now the 3 is 184, is same as 184. 184, so 184. Okay, so now we got 99, 250 and 184. So which would be the right one? Option D is the right one. You can see it's 99, 250 and 184. So answer D is the correct one. Okay, 99, 250, 184. Fine, 184. Very good, very good. It's option D. Option D is the right one. Very good. So now let's move on. Let's solve some more question. Okay, it's option D is the right one. 99, 250, 184. Okay. Yes, option D. Many of you have given the answer. Very good. It's option D. 99, 250 and 184. Just you have to write the number, the options D. It's option D, so you have to write only option D. Okay. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now here is, you can see here some fishes. Fish here, which fish show the largest value that we have to find out. Okay, here we have P, the fish are here P, Q, R and S. So we have to find out which fish showing the largest value. Okay, so let's see this. So first is, you can see P is 30 tens. 30 tens means 30 into 10. 30 tens means 30 into 10, and it is 300. Okay. Now next is Q. Q is 18 tens. Q is 18 tens. That means 18 into 10. So it would be 180. So Q is 180. Now next R is 330. Okay. R is 330. R is showing 330 only. Now next is S. S is 60 ones. That means 60 into 1. So 61. 60 into 1. So 60 into 1 is 60. So we got a value of P, Q, R and S. Now can you tell me which would be the which number showing the largest value? Obviously R is showing the largest value because R is 330. So R is greater than P, then Q, then S. R is 330. After that, P is 300. Then Q is 180 and then S is 60. So R is showing the largest value and that is 330. So our answer would be option C, that is R. Okay, is R. Option C is the right one. R. Very good, very good. Option C is the right one. R is showing the largest value. In this way, we have to find out your question whenever you get some in Olympiad exams. So fast you can find out. Just watch. 310s, you can do it mentally by practicing. So lots of practicing is very important. Okay. So that you can do it mentally. 310s means 300, 30 tens means 300. Okay. 18 tens means 180. So that you can easily mentally you can do this. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Hope you understood this. So R is the answer. Answer C. Option C is the right one. That is R. Now let's move on. Let's see question number 9. You see, here is a pictorial representation of number and we choose the correct number name. We have to choose the correct number name. Okay. So which would be the answer? A, B, C, D. There are 4 options here. Which would be the right one? That we have to find out. Can you tell me? You see in option A, the pictorial, you can see now pictorial presentation. Here you can see that there are 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. And here is 100th place. And then there are square. So how many squares are there? There are 7 tens. Okay. So 7 square and it's in tens place. And then the ones place. And in ones place, we have some small circles. So how many circles we have? 5 circles. So we have to find out which would be the right one. There are 4 options here. First you can is 471. They are saying 471, then 471, then 475 and none of the above. So which would be the answer? Can you tell me? 475 would be the answer because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 400. So 400s. In 100 place, there are 4 triangles. So it's 400s. Then 10 in tens place. There are 7 square. And in ones place, there are 5 small circles. So it's 475. 475. Okay. So option C is the right one. 475 would be the answer. The other options are wrong. Now I want to tell you one thing. Without solving this, all the thing, you can find out your answer in Olympiad exam. How can you choose the option? How can you choose your right option in option-based question? Okay, let me tell you. You see, our first option is here 471. First, you have to check the ones place. And you can see in ones place, there are many circles here. That means 1 cannot be possible. So let's eliminate this option first because they are showing 471. 471. So it's not possible. Now, without counting it, you can find out. You can tell that it is not be a right option. Now, let's see option B. Here you can see it's 471. So 471, they are saying the same thing. So it obviously it also not be the right option. So let's cut out this option. Okay. And the next option is 475. So must be, it would be the answer, 475. And here you can use without counting all the things, you can find out your answer. Okay. In option-based questions, sometimes you can see this and you can use the tricks also. This type of tricks. Okay. Fine. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Question number 10. 475. Very good. Okay, many of you have given the answer. Is answer C is the right one? Yes, very good. Is answer C, 475. Now let's solve one more question. Here you can see this is an interesting question. Try to solve this first. You see, our question is here, there is a table. You can see there is a table, and this table shows the number of chocolates each child have. Okay. Riyansh, Raya, Vaishali, and Adi. And here the chocolates. You can see on the left hand side, they are the children's name. And on the right hand side, the number of chocolates are given. And now we have to choose the which statement is correct between here among the options 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 options here. Which would be the correct one that we have to find out? Can you solve this? Riyansh, Raya, Vaishali, and Adi. And their chocolates, number of chocolates, here you can see is 35 chocolates first. 35 chocolates, 6, then 6 1, 2, 6 tens, 2 ones, 2 tens, 5 ones, 62 ones. In this way, the number of chocolates are given. And we have to find out the 4 option, in the 4 option, which would be the right one. Try to solve this. Let me help you, then you can solve this. The first is Riyansh have 35 tens. That means 35 tens chocolates. That means what is the meaning of that? 35 tens. That means 35 into 10. So it would be 350. Okay. Now next is Raya. Raya has 6 tens, 2 ones. That means 60 plus 2, 6 tens, 2 ones. So it would be 62. Okay. So Raya has 62 chocolates. Now Vaishali. Vaishali has 2 tens, 5 ones. So 2 tens means 20 plus 5. So 25. So 2 tens and 5 ones. 2 tens, 5 ones means 25. So Vaishali has 25 chocolates. And Adi has 62 ones. That means 62 into 1. So it would be 62. So we got the numbers, okay? We got all the numbers in the number from the chocolates. So that means Riyansh has 350 chocolates, Raya has 62 chocolates, Vaishali has 25 chocolates, and Adi has 62 chocolates, okay? So let's see the option and find out our answer. You see, which of the following statement is correct, that you have to find out only. Riyansh has least number of candies. It is true? What do you say? No, it's not true. It's false. Because Riyansh has 350 chocolates. That is the largest number. So it is wrong. So let's cut out this. Okay. Now next is Vaishali has maximum number of candies. But Vaishali has maximum number of candies? No, it's also wrong because Vaishali has 25 number of candies and that is least number of candies. So let's cut out Vaishali. And the next option is Adi has 26 candies. Does Adi have 26 candies? No, Adi has 62 candies. They mistakenly write 26. So it's 62 would be the right one. So it is also false. So now the last option must be our answer. Let's see the answer. Option Raya and Adi has equal number of candies. Let's see it. Adi has 62 number of candies and Raya has 62 number of candies. So that means it would be the right one. So it is the right one. Option D is the correct one. Raya and Adi has equal number of candies. Okay, D is the right one. So we got our answer. Answer D is the right one. So hope you understood and hope you solved the question. Is answer D. Option D is the right one. D is the right one. Very good. Very good. Answer D. Do you have any queries? Did you understand the process, all the process? If you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask me here. Our answer would be option D. Is D. Raya and Adi have 62 candies. Yes, answer D. Very good, very good, very good. It's D. D. Okay, so let's move on. Hope you understood this. So now let's move on. Let's solve another question. It's 11 and it's so easy question. You have to just correctly show the increasing order of the following set. There are 4 numbers. You have to just arrange the numbers in increasing order. Okay. Increasing order. Just you have to do this. First, you have to solve this. Increasing order, you have to arrange. Then I will show you the answer. Okay. Increasing order. That means smallest number to largest number. We have to arrange the number in this way. Smallest number to largest number. So try to solve this first. And I know that you will solve this in just a second. Okay. So try to solve this first and I will show you the answer. It's so easy to do because people are very smart, solve many questions. So this is a very easy question. This is an easy question. So you can find out your answer so fast. Our number is 416, 408, 431 and 499. Okay. Option A, option A. Yes. Very good. So many you have given the answer and it's option A would be the right one because you see we have 416. Here we have all the numbers are here 3-digit number. So I have already told you first you have to compare the highest place. We'll start from highest place and here we have to compare the digit from which place? From 100 place. So here you can see all the digit are same. 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. All the digits are same. So what we have to do now? Just we have to check the next digit. That's all. So here you can see here is 1, then 0, then 3, then 9. So we got our answer. So that means 408 would be the smaller one. Then after that 0, then 1. So 416. Okay. Now 431 because 3 after 1, 3 would come. So 431 and then the largest digit that is 9. So it would be 499. Okay. So option A is the correct one. 408, 416, 431, 499. A is the right one. Okay. 408, 416, 431, 499. Very good. Option A, option A. Yes. I'm enjoying a lot. Very good. It option A. No, someone saying option D and C. No. It's option A is the right one because 408, the smaller one. We have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. That means smaller to larger. Okay. So 408, 416, 431 and then 499. Got it? 8, option A. So let's solve some more questions. One more question. Okay. And it is also very interesting. You see, what will be the sum of the following that we have to find out? And it's so easy to do. 400 5 tens plus 7 ones and 400 7 tens 5 ones. We have to add these two numbers because it is the expanded form you have given. And you have to write the number and just add the number. So you see 400 plus 5 tens plus 7. That means 400 plus 50 plus 7. And it's 457. Okay. Now the next number is here 400 plus 7 tens plus 5 ones. So it would be 475. So just we have to add 457 plus 475. And what is the answer then? And answer is 932. Just by adding, we'll get 932. So it is the answer. It's so easy to do. Okay, so it's 932, option B. Whenever you get this type of question, don't become confused. Just it is the expanded form of the number. Okay, you have given sometimes the numbers are given in expanded form. And just you have to write the number. First write the expanded form, then write the number and add the numbers. That's all. And you will get your answer. It option B. Answer B is the right one. Okay. Answer B is the right one. Very good. Is 932. 932. Answer B is the right one. So now let's solve the last question of today. Okay, last question. Let's solve the question number 13. And it is a different with question because what you have to do, the next number in the series that you have to find out. You have a number series 200, 205, 210, 215. So after 215, which number will come? That we have to find out only. Okay. And we have 4 options. Which would be the right one? That we have to find out. Can you solve this? Can you solve this? This question is so easy. What you have to do? It is a skip counting question. How many more questions? This is the last question. Okay. This is the last question. Maths question. So questions are so interesting. Interesting now? Did you enjoy? I am enjoying a lot with you people, you know. So let's solve this. The last one, last question. Can you solve this? Then I will show you the answer. It's so easy. It is a skip counting question. You see 200, 205, 210, then 215. That means the difference between the number is 5. Okay? 5, 5. Just we have to add 5 for the next number. So 215 plus 5 is what? 220. Yes. Wow. Very good. It's answer D. Option D is the right one. 220. It is the right one. Very good. Option D is the right one. Very good. Very good. You people are very smart. And the last question you did well. Very good. It's option D. D is the right one. 220. It is a skip counting question. Sometimes you will get this type of question too. Counting by 10, counting by 50, counting by 15. And it's so easy because here we just have to counting only just 5. Okay, in this way, plus 5, and we get your answer. So this is 13 question we have solved today, and you also solved and you did very well. So I think you have did you enjoy this class? I am enjoying a lot. So next day we'll learn some more thing, more interesting topic and more interesting questions we will solve. Okay. So, but if you have any query, you can ask me. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so thank you very much. So meet you again. Till then, take care of yourself. And bye-bye. Good night, all of you.